I'm still here, still working. Took a little break from posting on social media. It was supposed to be a very small break, but it ended up being longer than I anticipated. And I also took a break from creating content. I'm putting in quotations because I don't really have a fancy page, but I still try to record a little bit of what I'm doing. And I took a break from all of that because it began to be a lot. And every expert that I've talked to, every class that I've taken as far as this business goes, they always tell you how important social media is. And so there would be weeks, days, and weeks where I would go to work, come home, and realize that I did not take a picture, or I did not take a video, or I didn't make anything to post online. And it would be always in the back of my mind, and it was beginning to stress me out. I like that we post things on social media so that you can let the audience know how non-surgical hair replacement works and trichology and things of that nature. I like that you can educate people who are unsure of this process. However, the notion of it's a huge part of the job now. It's a huge part of the job, and it was taken away so much of what I do because I was just constantly thinking about that. But I know I have to post just so I can let the audience know. I'm not trying to be a content creator, but I just want to let the audience know, people who are suffering from hair loss, that you have options, what those options are, and how we go about helping you correct that. Because my goal is to help you get this hair loss out of the way so you can focus on other things. If this is something that you were worried about, but now you're no longer worried about it because we took care of it, that's what I want to do. And I also just want you to understand that there's so many guests who come here who think they put their hat off, pull their wig off, and they really believe there are not people who have their type of hair loss. And I want you to know that there are so many men and women suffering from hair loss. You just don't know because they're covering it. They found a solution, they found a temporary solution. So it's different things that you can do, and that's what I want to use my page for. I'm not trying to be a content creator, but I'm just going to be me. I'm still going to post whatever. It's not going to be fancy. I'm not going to stress myself out about it being fancy anymore. I'm not going to stress myself out about it at all. I'm just going to pick up my camera, and when it's time to post something, I'm going to post it, and I'm not going to overthink it anymore because I have been, and it's been stressful. But now I'm just going to be me, post, let the audience know how this works, how Plentiful Hair Studio works, hair loss, trichology, hair restoration. That's my goal, and that's what I'm going to do.